Baltic amber is one of the most valued types of amber in the world. Because of its popularity, many fake or synthetic versions are sold in the market. Fortunately, there are several simple tests you can perform at home to distinguish real Baltic amber from imitations. This guide explains the most reliable ways to identify genuine amber safely and accurately. 1. Visual inspection. Start by carefully examining the amber piece. Natural characteristics. Internal imperfections such as tiny cracks, bubbles, and organic particles. Warm glow under natural light, often displaying golden, honey, or cognac tones. Inclusions like inks or plant debris should look natural, not too perfect. Signs of fake amber. Perfectly uniform color. Too many round bubbles, common in plastic. Insects that look too perfect or identical to images online, often inserted in resin. Number 2. Touch and temperature test. Real Baltic amber has a unique feel, warm to the touch, not cold like glass or stone, lightweight compared to similar-sized plastic or resin pieces. If the material feels heavy or cold, it's likely fake. 3. Saltwater float test. This is one of the most famous tests for amber. How to do it. Mix 1 cup of water with 2-3 tablespoons of salt. Stir until the salt dissolves completely. Drop the amber piece into the solution. Results. Real Baltic amber floats. Fake amber or plastics may sink or float, depending on resin type. Glass will always sink. Note, do not use this test on jewellery with metal parts. Number 4. UV light test. Black light. Baltic amber shows a fascinating fluorescent effect. What to look for? Real amber glows blue, green, or yellow under UV light. Fake amber made of plastic may show no glow or a dull blue tone. Number 5. Smell friction test. Amber releases a specific pine-like smell when heated. Method. Rub the amber piece vigorously with a soft cloth. After several seconds, check for a warm resinous scent. Results. Genuine amber produces a natural pine smell. Plastic smells like chemicals or burnt plastic. Avoid burning the amber directly. This can damage it. Number 6. Hot needle test. Not recommended but effective. This test should be avoided unless absolutely necessary. How it works. Heat a needle and press it gently on an inconspicuous area. Results. Real amber emits a natural pine resin smell and melts slowly. Fake amber plastic melts instantly and gives a chemical odor. Do this test only if the piece is low value, as it can cause permanent damage. Number 7. Electrostatic test. Amber can become electrically charged. Steps. Rub the amber with wool or cotton for 30 to 60 seconds. Bring it close to small pieces of paper or hair. Real amber attracts them due to static electricity. Plastic may show weak or no attraction. Conclusion. Identifying genuine Baltic amber isn't difficult if you know what to look for. The saltwater float test, UV fluorescence, smell test, and visual inspection are the safest and most reliable methods. Always avoid destructive tests unless necessary. If you plan to buy expensive Baltic amber, it's best to request laboratory certification or purchase from trusted dealers.